Hey guys, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and of all the aspects of the new iPad Pro, the 6th generation 2018 9.7, it's got a lot of names for it, but of all the aspects of it, the things I've been asked about the most to question and to cover has been performance and gaming. I've gotten a lot of requests on Twitter to check out the gaming on the new iPad. Now, if I am correct on this, there is this trend going on right now about this game called Fortnite. And since it came out on mobile fairly recently and now it is open, anybody can play it and you don't need an access code anymore, figure it's a perfect time to test it out. And lucky for you guys, I have never played on mobile. I've played for about 4 minutes total in my life, so this will be interesting to see how I can do, but it'll be a good test of the gaming performance on the new iPad. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is taking a while already. Okay, here we go. So that wasn't super quick, but it may have just been a server issue and not necessarily the iPad. And definitely something to notice is that the audio is just coming from the left side. Alright, so tap to swing. I can do that. Okay. Guessing this is run. Okay. And I can change my perspective and so on. Okay. It's pretty easy, pretty intuitive. So it's running pretty smoothly so far. Notice a couple dropped frames. Definitely, I'd say 3 or 4 dropped frames already. So definitely some glitchiness, some dropped frames, not the smoothest performance I've ever seen from a mobile game, but keeping in mind this price, nothing is too bad so far. Alright, let's get out of here. Yep, a lot of dropped frames right there, and some lag. But it's a pretty good experience. I mean, the touch controls are responsive. The graphics are pretty good. Resolution isn't bad. I mean, this isn't Retina. This isn't like obviously a Retina designed game. Alright, let's go down. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, I'm not gonna lie. I know I can chop down. Alright, so we got jump there, switch between, collect some wood to build some stuff later. Alright, enough of that. Just switch between squatting and standing. But I'm gonna try to build something. Okay. Sweet. I got that down. That seems good. Alright, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna setting that up for somebody else. Or maybe I didn't set it up. I don't know. Alright, I need to shoot somebody or get shot. I don't really care which one it is. And I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot. Get down. Nope, no jump. There we go. And, oh, nope. I'm gone. Alright, well that was fun while it lasted. Let's see how somebody else does. Alright, and that is Fortnite for the new iPad Pro 6th generation. Obviously, I'm no good. I didn't really kill anybody or get anything valuable, but you can see some of the spectating from the person who killed me. The experience was pretty good overall. Like, it's definitely very playable, no problems. There were definitely dropped frames and some freezes and some skips. They were pretty subtle though. They weren't like too apparent too often. So the overall gaming experience on here, playing Fortnite on mobile, on the iPad, was not bad. For sure, it was not bad. Now, one thing to notice is that when I was watching this on a console, I was watching my friends play on PS4 or whatever, I didn't get motion sickness, and I'm a person who generally does get motion sickness, or I could get it pretty easily from games. I did get it a little bit from here on the iPad. I can feel my face getting a little warm and whatnot. So I got a little bit of motion sickness just from the graphics on here. Again, it's not a super high refresh rate, not the smoothest thing. But I didn't get that on console, so that's one thing to note, is that possible, just the refresh rate is not going to be super great on here. and the quality might give you a little bit of motion sickness if you are susceptible to that. But outside of that, that is Fortnite for the new iPad. Let me know what you think. I already know I'm a trash player, so you don't have to tell me that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know any other videos you want to see for the iPad, and I will catch you guys in the next one.